what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be making a video. I'm doing a little DIY action today. I'm gonna be tinting my eyebrows. As you can see, this is what my eyebrows look like naturally. I mean, like this is what my whole face looks like naturally without any makeup on. So I'm going to be using some Just for Men beard dye to tint my eyebrows. And we're gonna see what happens. So I used a different kind. I don't have the box because I tried this before and it didn't really work. I know I'm probably late on this trend. I think it's been like circling around a little bit, a lot of it. So I'm just now getting to it, but I'm gonna put the little developer in here. It's like an old tin, like plastic tin. I'm just gonna use a little bit because I don't think you need a lot. And I'm gonna use the color base. Hold on. I really didn't just squeeze it one time for each, and you should be good. Sorry if it cut out and I didn't know how to edit it because my boyfriend called. I had to answer it. But anyways, I didn't have to. I should have just not answered it, but I did. Anyway, I'm gonna get a mirror that I always use, and I'm going to just try to fill in my freaking eyebrows. Let's see how this works. This stuff's getting real dark. I'm scared. I hope this works. If it doesn't, this would be what not to do. I hope it works. Okay. And now we wait. We wait 5 to 10 minutes. And then we wipe it up. I can move my eyebrows, but I can't. We're gonna see what happens. I'm very nervous. I was thinking about getting my eyelashes done, y'all. I'll be feeling like a potato without them. I'm gonna see what I'm about to take it off. I think I'm gonna take it off in probably in 5 minutes because I'm really scared. Yeah, this one looks so messy and this one looks like neat. So I'm pretty sure this one's gonna come out good. I don't know. I'm gonna see y'all. Bye. Alright, I'm back. Now it's time to wash this stuff off. I look crazy. I washed the front parts out because I really didn't want my eyebrows to be super blocky, just in case this works too well. But yeah, let's go ahead and wipe this stuff off. See if it makes any difference. This ain't looking like it did nothing. This is the end look. I'm gonna make this a makeup look. This looks no different to me. This is definitely a miss. Let me know what y'all think down. Let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. If y'all think it worked or not. I don't feel like it did. I feel like it looks stupid. I shouldn't have did that. But yeah, if you feel like it worked, let me know. If you feel like it didn't work, let me know. Let me know what else y'all want to see. I will catch y'all on the next one. I'm trying to be more consistent. Make sure to go check out my lashes. I didn't want to put them on in this video because like I didn't put on any makeup, so I was like, I'm not gonna put them on. So I'll put the link down below if y'all want to buy them. They're open for sale now. DM me or the page and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.
It's Licky Born this time.